Here the Indian cricket team turned out in big numbers to train under the unforgiving sun. It was a day 4 wicket, a scruffed up wicket. There was a lot of dust going off the wicket as soon as the ball was pitching. Rough areas created near the popping crease on the either side. So conditions were being tried to replicate what could be on offer in Galle. What was supposed to be day 4 of the warm-up game against Sri Lanka 11 turned out to be a match simulation for the Indian cricket team. The original plan was altered, the tour game was trimmed and shortened to just 3 days, but here the Indian cricket team turned out in big numbers to train under the unforgiving sun. The plan was simple. Every player who is expected to be part of the playing 11 for the Galle test batted in pairs on the centre wicket right behind me. It was a day 4 wicket, a scruffed up wicket. There was a lot of dust going off the wicket as soon as the ball was pitching. Rough areas created near the popping crease on the either side. So conditions were being tried to replicate what could be on offer in Galle. Not exactly what could be on offer, but similar to what could be on offer. KL Rahul, Yashasvi Jaiswal, Shubman Gill, Devdutt Padikkal, Rishabh Pant, Dhruv Jurel, and then towards the end we also saw Sarfaraz, Kuldeep, Manav Sutar also getting a hit in the middle. The plan was simple. You want to get as close to a match experience as possible. The batters were facing a certain number of deliveries before giving it to the other partner. There was another net in operation towards my right where batting coach Sudhanshu Kotaka with a throwdown specialist was keeping a close eye on Shubman Gill and Ravindra Jadeja and Sarfaraz Khan before they made their way to the centre wicket. Shubman Gill had a special preparation for reverse swing with the sidearm specialist. One sidearm specialist had a new ball, the other two were operating with a semi-old new ball just to create that reverse swing experience for the Indian captain, who looked in absolutely no pain at all. He was in no discomfort. He looked very good while batting. The marathon net sessions have returned for Shubman Gill. There were no issues with regards to the body whatsoever. No signs of cramping in this unbearable heat. When I'm saying unbearable, it is actually unbearable. But good thing for India, apart from Shubman Gill, was Rishabh Pant towards the end. 4, 5 sixes on the trot. ऐसा लग रहा था कि अब गुस्सा निकाल रहे हैं. He was a bit iffy and scratchy to start with, but the moment he got going and grew deeper into his session, Rishabh Pant looked the Rishabh Pant of the old. Yashasvi Jaiswal, Devdutt Padikkal, KL Rahul, business as usual. A lot of intent against the spinners, trying to use their feet, trying to get to the pitch of the ball. Sweeps and reverse sweeps were seen in plenty, but a special mention for Aqib Nabi, the lone seamer. क्योंकि बाकी तीनों सीमर्स को, गुरनूर बरार को, प्रसिद्ध कृष्णा को, मोहम्मद सिराज को आज रेस्ट दिया गया, तो आकिब नबी ने यहाँ लगातार गेंदबाजी करी. 1 घंटे से ऊपर उन्होंने गेंदबाजी करी विदाउट एनी पॉजेज और एनी ब्रेक्स, एंड ही लुक्ड very good. He was helping the Indian team prepare for the series opener which starts in Galle on August 15. A lot to talk, a lot to build up for that very crucial match starting in Galle. The Indian cricket team now have applied the finishing touches as far as Colombo is concerned. Action and the caravan will now move to Galle. We will also move to Galle. So keep watching TOI Sports. We'll keep bringing you all the updates from Ground Zero. Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay notified.